Hey guys, long time no see. I hope that you all are having a great summer. This summer I've been really busy, so I didn't put up any videos during July just because I was traveling a lot, but I have these videos that I really wanted to do for summer, which is cute summer styles, but they're also inexpensive summer styles. So I don't really like fast fashion that much because you really are just going to buy the clothes and wear them once a lot of times, and it's wasteful, but it also affects the environment. But since I rarely go to websites like Shein, where they just get stuff like every single day and they could either sell out, you know, that day, or it might stay on the website for a couple of months, I was like, well, let me give this a chance because there is some stuff that I wanted to wear for the summer. So it's really hot down here. I'm in Tampa, and what I wanted to do is get a few really simple outfits that were not really like a lot of fabric. This is just like a little crop top, and it crosses in the front and it has a zipper in the back, and it has matching pants to go with it, and the fabric is really thin. But I can say that I liked this one a lot, so I will be wearing this one again. I really like the colors, and I liked how it fit. So I know a lot of people are going to ask me, how did you do the sizing? Because a lot of people have problems buying clothes off of that website because the sizing can be off. I just go by the measurements. I do everything by my measurements. So that pretty much should guarantee that it's going to fit. One thing that I noticed about Shein is their measurements are really skewed. So for example, like a size small, if you click it to see like what ranges that includes, a size small could literally be a 25-inch waist all the way up to like 30, and it's like, that's not really a small. So that was one of the things that annoyed me about their website, was just that their clothes really aren't tailored to your actual size because the range is so wide. So you know, for example, there's a dress that I bought. Those were the shorts. This is the top. There's not a whole lot going on here. Like I said, I just wanted some really thin, cute summer things. But I bought this dress, and the dress is really pretty, but since the size range is like so wide, the dress just looks huge on me once it gets past my waist. So that was kind of annoying. This is another set that I got. This one was weird to me. It almost like seemed like I was wearing a curtain, and I didn't care much for the top because this part, it goes really high on the neck like this. It feels like you're getting choked. So this one, I like the colors, I like the print, but not really like the neck being that high. And I had one more two-piece set. This one, I really liked the colors, and so like if you see, these shorts are small. They fit me really large. It looks like I'm wearing bloomers or like boxer shorts. So what I do when I wear these little two-piece sets is I just pair them up with a cute cardigan, because you are showing a lot of skin. So like it just ties in the back. You are showing a lot of skin. So what I like to do is just throw on a cardigan and just kind of like class it up a little bit. And I actually bought a cardigan from Shein for $9. Oh, I forgot to mention, all of those were like $9 each. So this was also $9. This is the cardigan that I've been wearing all summer. And I have gotten so many compliments on this cardigan. Everybody thinks that it's like the super expensive like cardigan, and I'm like, no, it was like $9 or $10. And like, I like that it's so thin. Like, it's thick enough where if you go like say out to dinner and you get like a little chilly, it's thick enough where it can help with that, but it's thin enough where you can wear it outside in the dead of summer and not get hot. So when I went to Cuba, I had that cardigan on and it was like unbearably hot there. And I actually wore that cardigan probably most of the time I was there. So it's really versatile. That's probably the best thing that I actually purchased from them so far. This set was kind of weird. My husband didn't like it, but I was like, it's weird, but I'm gonna give it a try. These are the shorts, and this is the top. And this was so cute when I wore it. I put it on with a little jean jacket. Everything that I'm showing you, I have already worn on my blog. So if you just go to my blog and just like go in a search section, you can just literally type in like striped short set, or use the tag cute summer styles, and all of this stuff will come up because I've already worn it. And I wore this dress for the 4th of July when I was on vacation. Oh, that's where that went. And I really like this fabric. I like, you know, it's not that thick. This to me is like perfect for summer, this fabric. It's almost like linen. And I like that it had pockets. The only thing I didn't like is that it just like, it almost just kind of felt like it was too big on me. And so I felt like I looked a little bit frumpy, not like put together as I wanted to look, because like I said, the sizing, the range is just very large. Everything that I have here is a small. There's only been a few instances where I've ordered extra smalls and things, and it varies a lot. So you really, if you're gonna order from them, you really have to like look at the measurements for everything, because you just end up with stuff that just doesn't fit. And I have been planning to go to the beach. There were no beaches in Cuba where we were in Havana. So I have all these cute little bathing suits that I got for $9, and I have not had a chance to wear them yet, but we still have a little over 1 month until summer is over. Summer is officially over on September 20th. So I will be trying to make it down to the beach and wear some of the bathing suits. I bought like 4. So that is my first haul that I'm putting up for the cute summer styles. I have so much stuff. Let me show you. Okay, I have so much stuff to film. I have not been in the mood to film hauls, and so it just is piling up. It's stuff everywhere in here, and I just like, I can't even come in here now, so I have to put up the videos so that I can like put this stuff in my closet. This is getting out of hand. But that's the first video. I'm planning on doing 3 videos today. Today is Tuesday, okay? So 3 videos today is my goal, and I will be back with another haul in just a second.